Now I come down to Dunn and Benson. I'm gonna tell the damn story. I come down here. See this man right here, race car truck. We been down here for a whole year talking about running a race. We down here. Here you go, right here. Now he on the damn trailer. I come down here, it's damn 9 o'clock. They ain't did shit yet.
And $3,200 betted on this car. He called $9, said he covered any bet I had. He been talking shit to me for a whole 2 years about the retirement 3 years ago. If I can retire somebody, I know how to keep him in retirement.
Okay.
I tell you who retired, he retired.
Okay. Tell it.
Yes, we went by his house. We went by his house. He already know, because we went by his house.
Gang in this
He went by his house. He down here now.
Yeah,
Ain't no excuse.
Tried to bet him this money. He said he'd cover anything. I had to take his shit back home. I had it in a bag so I could double it, bunch it.
Money in the bag.
I told him I had the bag. He come over here with a little shit in the rubber bag. Then I told him I had 32. He left. I ain't see him no damn more time. I came find a bottle. A nipple for the bottle.
A nipple for the bottle.
With it.
He had stickers in the building. He had more to go with it. Side bets going on.
Team is and I'm betting on the gal.
And he buying on the game.
Take it to the Green Goblin. Hey, shut up. I'm gonna take this shit to the Green Goblin. He dragged his car all the way down here, unloaded out the trailer, driving back and forth down the damn staging lane. Won't run nobody. Tell about 5,000. He see his cousin over there can't race. He wouldn't even back him up. Cause I'll run around him. I'll gap, boy, baby. I will gap, boy, baby. If he come out, I'm betting on the gap.
He a gap boy, baby.
He talking about he race on the street. What the fuck he doing at this track?
the fuck, pow!
Stay the fuck away from the track if you ain't gonna run.
You heard it.
Hey, hard pump fucking Kool-Aid.
You heard it.
You heard it first. We out here, man. We got the damn crew out here. Ain't nobody showed up to get on the damn track yet. Folks been down here since 5 o'clock.
They showed up.
Track closed now. They ready to go home.
They ain't want no goddamn smoke.
And when it's a gas shortage out here, everybody came down this motherfucker.
Goddamn smoke.
And they didn't know.
I fucked up. I made a test pass with this bitch. And they got the word. That it been like the red.
They had the spies out here.
They ain't want no
like the red fire, so they got scared to goddamn death.
Well, he proved it. Well,
he smoked gas.
Watch this.
Well,
he proved tonight there ain't no ass shorter because he definitely a fag. He wouldn't race.
Well, we got it first.
Don't come talk about my man no motherfucking more.
Okay.
You hear me? Do not call my man name no goddamn more if you know.
He came to the track. He came with the money.
You can't put it on.
We been out here for a whole year. I don't even come to the track, and I came down here.
Right, I brought the city out.
He brought the city out.
The whole city.
And
JT running this shit 2021.
JT.
I told him that in December. They didn't believe it. Now they riding around pulling. He come to the track and pull his car around.
where he at now?
He done left.
He left.
Him gone. Him scared. This shit say
Him scared.
This shit say guillotine.
He say guillotine. That shit cut your head off.
That's right.
That's right.
Him gone.
Him gone.
Him
left.
Damn. Well, I gotta get an interview from Wayne. I gotta get an interview. I had this first one. Now I got the first interview right here.
Hey, what was that?
The damn race car. Chuck.
Interview for him.
I believe.
He told me he was caught ready and loaded.
He said he was caught ready.
What the fuck you did that motherfucker get on the internet? That's why I didn't give you no interview. I was gonna give you one when you got here.
You gave me one too. I came down here to get my damn interview.
Cause this ain't what you want.
This bitch right here is running.
We gotta hide something in there. The damn bag got to be high. He come back down here. The bag got to be even high if he come back, right? The bag got to.
He gotta hide the money to get to come back.
Damn.
That's a damn race car.
We gonna be down here all day. Kingz got to go to school.
He got a damn drag car. Ain't nothing in that motherfucker but a damn seat in him. Look at this damn car, man. That's a whole motherfucking car. Look at
With a radio.
With the radio. You want to cut the damn radio on? Speakers, horn out.
Got the whole car.
Right, he's scared of this shit here.
Talking about a goddamn nipple.
nipple.
I got the boys down here.
He
JT,
told me to
right?
he told me to bring Karan with the bag. I'm on the bag.
Hey, Tony, wait! Wait a minute! Let it go now! Green Goblin! Where he at? They leaving the damn trash.
There you go, look.
Where he at? There go Tony Wayne. There you go. He riding around in the damn parking lot. I'm gonna get on his ass. He motherfucking making a whole bunch of noise. I be damn, I done roll down here for this shit. Man, hey! You I know damn well I didn't come down here for this shit. It's only fair that I get it's only fair that I get it. I'm down here. Now I spent my gas money. No. I spent my money. And look, I spent it. Now I'm big bro, and you go. I come down here. You my cousin. I come tell me. Let's talk about it. We got to talk about it.
You already know, man, how ugly a man. That's why she ugly but nasty, man.
See, ugly but nasty.
She always do what she do, man. She'll do what she want to do, man. But you know, hey, man, I can't say number one thing to the city, man. Thank y'all for coming out, man. Thank y'all for coming out and enjoying yourself, man. But we gonna get it on, man. But one thing about racing, man, hey, man, you can come here, man. You don't know what you can do till you get here, man. You know, you come here, man, and all kind of shit just go wrong, man. And all you can do is just suck it up, man. Go back to the regroup, come again, man. But hey. Out, peace out to the Sand Trap, peace out to the surrounding county, peace out to the whole world, man. Thank y'all for coming down, man. But Ugly Bonanza won't let you down. I'm going to do something for you.
Okay.
Keep your ears to it. I'm going to do something for you. I'm going to make up to it for you.
All right. Well, we heard it first. Man. Ugly but nasty. The Sand Trap Kingz are racing. This is the first, you know, shit of the summer. You know, we popped it off. And my man a man in his word, but he telling us right now he coming back to the track.
Be back. I'm gonna do something big for the Sand Trap for this moment, man.
Okay.
I always know that, man. I'm gonna take this home with me, but I'm gonna bring it back, man. I'm gonna set it up for the Sand Trap where the Sand Trap can really come and see Ugly but Nasty show, man.
Okay.
All they gonna have to do is get there.
All right, now.
Yeah, I like the way she thumping. She really feeling like she got a real live beat in her too.
What? Well, just tell me what happened, cause I came in at 9:30. I came in late, and you know, I come down. Just tell me a little bit. What's going on?
What really, man?
I'm not in the racing world.
I use nitro. You know, I got a bottle. I get a 4-inch tip, but the bottle had a 6-inch tip. Just some miscellaneous type stuff. Nobody in the whole Dun & Benson got a 4-inch tip. Nothing I could do. I can't run raw motor. Everybody come to run with nitro. Okay. You know, Chuck came down to run. He was very adamant. He was here to run. He wanted to run. I salute him, you know, for being here. His team being here. You know, it wasn't no money issue. I didn't have a baller, no need to put up no money.
Okay.
You know, I didn't have no nipple from a baller. I couldn't complete the race, so there's no need, you know. Okay. So you have to suck it up and take the blow with it. Okay. You know, you have to suck it up when stuff like this happens. You got to suck it up, take the blow, and you know, and get back, you know. Well, but I really don't like this day.
All right, I understand.
Like
hey, every dog got their day.
I really don't like this day. I tell the whole world that I don't like this day.
All right, well.
So Ugly really got to do some making.
When can we expect? When can we expect to come back?
Immediately. I'm going immediately with him and try to set a tone up with him.
Okay.
For maybe Saturday or Sunday. Track.
At another track. If you can do that.
There's nothing wrong with the car. The car's running supreme.
All right.
You know, my nitro.
Well, look, I appreciate you. Sand Trap Kingz Racing. You know, I understand mishaps happen, but we want this done and we want it rectified. And we'll be all right. All right? All right.
All the time.